Aren't you the guy that wants to fight Aaron the plumber?
Yeah. I don't want to fight Aaron the plumber. Weak chin, Aaron the plumber. You know what I'm saying? Dry elbows, Aaron the plumber. Huh? Always losing, busted up lip, bleeding, Aaron the plumber. Yeah, I want to fight him. But you follow me on TikTok? Huh? Yeah. Get this to him. Aaron the plumber. I'm the real Aaron the plumber. I'll take him 5 rounds. I'm going to knock him out quick. It will not be long. It won't be long. You hear me? Huh? Aaron the plumber. I'm the plumber. I'm Aaron the plumber. Yeah.